Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, emphasizes balance and harmony within the body. When it comes to pneumonia, Ayurveda seeks to restore equilibrium while supporting the body's natural healing process. Here are some Ayurvedic lifestyle practices for pneumonia. Dietary choices focus on warm, easily digestible foods like soup, herbal teas, and cooked vegetables. Avoid cold, heavy, or processed foods that can aggravate respiratory issues. Hydration. Stay well hydrated with warm water or herbal infusions. Proper hydration helps maintain mucus balance in the respiratory tract. Rest and sleep. Ensure ample rest and quality sleep. This allows the body to divert energy towards healing and recovery. Herbal remedies. Ayurveda offers a range of herbal remedies such as ginger, turmeric, and licorice, known for its anti-inflammatory and respiratory benefits. Breathing exercises. Practice deep breathing exercises like pranayama to improve lung function and oxygenate the body. Oil pulling. Gargle with warm sesame oil to soothe the throat and reduce inflammation. Avoid exposure. Protect yourself from cold drafts and sudden temperature changes. Dress warmly and maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Remember, pneumonia can be a serious condition. Always consult a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner or a healthcare provider for a personalized treatment plan. By incorporating these Ayurvedic lifestyle practices, you can complement conventional pneumonia treatment and promote a swifter recovery. We wish you good health and well-being on your journey to healing. For more such informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to Bibo. See you in the next video.